So for your 4.03 quiz, we started talking about trig ratios and just writing those in relation to whatever angle you're talking about. It's really important when you're looking at these right triangles to make sure that you pay attention to which angle that you are talking about. So it says, what is the trig ratio for cosine of n? And again, if you missed the recording for 4.02 through 4.04, you're going to want to make sure you watch that. If you were not in class for that, you're going to want to make sure you watch that before taking this quiz. So go back and watch that before you even watch this video if you haven't watched it. But if you did watch it, or if you were in class, then you would remember that cosine of n, here's our angle n. We always mark whatever angle we're looking at. Cosine is equal to adjacent over hypotenuse. Well, the adjacent side is 36. So cosine of n is equal to adjacent, which is 36, over hypotenuse, which is 39. And that's all we would do from there other than simplify. So from there, you'll simplify that fraction because it does say enter as a simplified fraction. So you'll divide both of those numbers by 3 because 3 does come out of both those. You get 12 over 13. This question is saying that angle A is the right angle. So here's angle A. We're going to mark it as right, which means that this side right here is the hypotenuse. Oops, is the hypotenuse. This side right across from the right angle is always the hypotenuse in our right triangles. And it says, what side is opposite from angle C? So here's angle C. You always just want to draw a line straight across the triangle. Whatever side that line hits, that is the opposite side from that angle. So that side, in this case, the opposite one from C is AB, side AB. If we wanted the adjacent, it would have been the one that connects to the angle other than the hypotenuse, which would be AC. Remember, those change with each angle you look at. If you looked at angle B, the opposite side would be here, and the adjacent side would be here. So just make sure you're paying attention to which angle you're considering.